Hello everybody out there on the interwebs. It is I, Nicky Fredard, and today I have a package. Now you're probably wondering, what's in this package? Well, okay, if you obviously read the title by the video, you should probably already know what it is, so I don't need to explain what it is. So instead, I'm just going to open it and show you guys what it is. So give me a moment real quick. Okay, I have opened the package, and as you can see, there is something in here. So let's take it out. Hold on, give me a second real quick. That's right! It's the official Pewdiepie 100 million, whatever the hell you pronounce it. I can't talk today, but this is a very special figurine that Pewdiepie has announced a while back when he hits over 1,000 million subs. That high number. I can't speak today, I'm sorry. This is a very special figure. As you can see, it has his signature, and yeah, here's the figure itself. Here is the back. There is that really, really long number. It is limited edition, uniquely numbered collectible figure. So, yeah, this is pretty valuable. This is going to be pretty valuable. And as you can see on the bottom, it has a random number. So, I don't know what number I'm going to get, but we'll see when I take this thing out of the packaging. So, give me a moment again. Okay, so I have carefully opened this, and now I'm going to take out the figure itself. So, give me a moment. Okay, I just need to directly load this, and here it is. And my number is this one, 000.001.8989. That is my number. And as you can see, this figure is really good. He's got his sunglasses, he's got his glasses, he's got his headphones, he's got his jacket, and of course, he's got his trusty trident from the Minecraft series. I highly recommend that you watch that because it's joy. And let's see, you can obviously you could take these headphones and glasses off, but honestly, I really don't want to do that, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. But so yeah, this is the 100 Million Club limited edition Pewdiepie figure. These things are going to be worth a lot of money, but of course, this thing is not for sale, so don't even bother trying to ask me in the comments, because I am not selling this thing. So yeah, hope you enjoy. And sorry I have not been uploading in a while, it's just because I can't really go anywhere because of what's going on with the world right now, and sometimes I just don't want to upload, you know? So yeah, this is just a really short video of this figure. Really nice, and yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.